Just finished Obsession. Pretty good movie. What do you think of the movie?
She's just like me.
What did I just watch, bro? Gago to, baka isipin na rin nagka-confirm ka. That was so good, bro. Yo, that was the craziest things na nakita ko. Holy fuck. I was so uncomfortable. Holy fuck.
Funniest movie I've ever watched. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That was so good.
Personally, we found it funny. Diba we were What was your favorite scene?
Probably when he initially broke the stick. That scene dragged on for so long and it never bored me. It takes 20 minutes. Normally when a movie drags on a scene that long, they never left the goddamn car. But I was engaged the entire time.
Oh man, I never realized how long that
It was like
took.
20 minutes, they were just in the horror.
Yung my face, nagkananon, tapos naglalakad siya pa ganun. That was so funny. Tapos yung kasunod pa nun is yung, di ba, they were laying down, tapos she was like, sabi niya, stop. She was shouting, parang,
Stay.
Yes,
Stay.
stay.
I can't take horror movies seriously because every time I watch a horror movie, I just think of watching the movie without music. If you think of it that way, everything is just so funny.
What was the funniest scene for you?
Bigla na lang sila nag-crack.
Oh, it's good naman. Pero kasi I think a lot of people overemphasize how it was so creepy, parang very disorienting, uncomfy. It's uncomfy, but not so much na parang I'd rate it 10 out of 10 as someone who really likes horror movies. Kasi why am I holding it? You hold it.
Who's your favorite character?
Definitely Nikki, because she was so dynamic eh. Diba? Like, the way she was switching back and forth, you could tell parang she was like out of it.
I liked everything about it except the writing. Ratio was good. They used 4:3, which is rare.
Ay, hindi nakita, sorry.
They use 4:3, which is rare as fuck. Which I love 4:3. 4:3 is what I use in my music videos. Lighting is also great. Every car scene, if you go back, every car scene has blue and orange as the top notes of the color. They use it consistently. Performance was great.
Yeah.
I liked everything except the writing. The writing was like.
No. Just like yung gumaganto siya. No.
Overall, would I recommend watching this movie? I would recommend watching it right now in the theater. That wouldn't hit as hard if you watch it on your phone.
Actually.
Also, their music. Their mixing was really good. The music was in stereo and their dialogue was in mono, so everything was separated. Whoever engineered the soundtrack, great. I want to watch this movie again. I want to watch that movie again. I feel like I missed out on a lot of things.
Why is it nakatulog sa akin?
Ikaw na sa harap eh. I want to watch that movie again. The soundtrack was really nice. I want to listen to the soundtrack. Perfect.
It's closed.
Huh?
No.
Oh shit. Okay, so we're getting food now and Abby is undecisive as fuck.
Hey guys.
We said Marugami. Abby said El Pollo. We went to El Pollo. It's so fucking long. The queue is long. We're fifth in the list.
No, listen to me. We didn't
We're
know
fucking
that
10
the queue
people.
Wait, I didn't know that the queue was long. At saka hindi lang ako yung may gusto. Taka and Caleb wanted one.
So now we're going to One Ayala. We're gonna eat red mango or yao yao.
Okay, hindi ako Froyo fan eh, pero I would say Yao Yao.
Yao yao. They both taste the exact fucking same. What did you eat?
Ako, curry. No, we ate at Marugami. What did you ask?
What did you eat?
Tonkatsu, curry tonkatsu.
I went to Pache tomorrow.
Wait, wait, give me the camera, bro.
How is that?
Tignan mo. Holy shit.
If you were in Obsession, what would you wish for?
1 billion paid tuition, fully. Safest wish I know.
Parang ibabaw naman ang wish na yun. Ito naman masyadong mataas.
Everything to work out for me. So kahit anong gawin ko sa buhay.
Parang ang pangit naman nun. Hindi ka magkakamali. Paano ka matututo?
Uy, hindi ko na kailangan matuto.
What would you wish for if you were in Obsession?
Siguro.
No. I wish
Bakit?
parang like hindi ako na mess up.
Dahil ba mess up ka?
Feeling ko kasi like my thought process was nothing's gonna change.
Permission para i-post to.
For sure. Look away. Hi guys, it's Abigail. If you had a one wish, mamaya na, hindi marinig sagot mo eh.
I would wish to find out what happens after death.
So what do you think would be the consequences of that wish?
I go crazy.
Go crazy and then eventually kill yourself, or you don't kill yourself because you know what happens
No, I
after
think
death?
It drives me crazy enough. I just want to know what happens. I don't want to die to know what happens. I want to know right now.
I wish our society wasn't very patriarchal. I
Oh,
wish it was
that's
more matriarchal society.
Ang daming changes nun, like, no!
In the patriarchal society, may hierarchy, right? Pero in the matriarchal society, it's more of a circle.
I think there's still gonna be a hierarchy. Ako taka personally, I think if we were to become a matriarchy, yung mag-change doon is yung values na was integrated in society, but we would still have a hierarchy. I think.
Matriarchal society is a circle. So technically, like, everyone is supported by each other. Na, like, everyone has an equal chance and like has an equal say.
Definition of matriarchy is that majority of those in position are women. That's opposite naman pag patriarchy. So when you say you want a matriarchy, say you want a parang you wish for the society to be a matriarchy, you're wishing for it na yung majority of those in position like yung president
Pero
and shit
still,
like that.
ayaw ko kung it's a reliable source, pero I don't think na if it was a matriarchal society, magkakaroon pa siya ng hierarchy kasi I think women think more differently than men.
Is it weird that I'm
turned on right now?
What the hell, bro?
I'm kidding.
What the hell?
Mine was a joke, okay? Post that instead.
Carvin, if you had a one wish below, what would you wish for?
Tanda ako. Last time I was here, I was with
Wait lang naman. Sino gusto mag-record sa akin?
Yo, Axel.
Tasalo pa.
Sabi magsalita sa akin.
Ay, oo nga, no? Di may akit ba?
Okay, saan tayo? Punta tayo Japan. Punta tayo Taiwan. Mas
Look,
realistic
this
pa
was like
tayo.
Japan if only it was colder.
Gusto niyo mag 7-Eleven?
Guys, let's just go.
Malamig din.
Oh, sige. Oo nga, no.
Let the earth breathe. Bobon po.
Kaya kayo? Oo, wait. Subaw na ako.
Butangin. Ayaw ko gawin ko, boy.
No, we're so fucking cool. We're actually so fucking cool, bro. Let's go. Fuck you, man.
What's your favorite fruit?
Wala lang. Nakita ko lang. Actually, kayo ba yun yung yung DIY Coke float?
Ano yun?
DIY ko yun?
Ano yun?
Ay, di ba kayo yun?
DIY Coke
Gumawa
float?
tayong Coke tsaka Chucky.
Ay, oo. Si Ira. Sarap na rin. Ginagawa ko pa rin yan hanggang ngayon. Ano ba bias niya dito sa frozen section ng 7-Eleven?
Siguro yung spam musubi.
Pero yung mga bread, it's really nice.
Bread?
Ba't hindi nilagay sa frozen? That's really nice.
Merong spam cheese bread?
Yeah.
May takoyaki? You're gonna die if you eat that. Ano bias mo sa hotdog section?
Si Jungkook.
Wala naman Jungkook flavor dito.
Sabi mo bias ko.
Bias mo sa mga hotdog?
Ang gusto niyo malaman kung na-bias kong hotdog. Ayun.
Gagi, ako ata din-reference nito eh.
Sabi ko, hindi ako umiinom ng alak eh. Tapos look at me now. Tapos sabi niya, he's waiting till marriage now. Look at him now! Look at
I'm
him.
still waiting for marriage, bro.
Hihintay pa rin siya.
Siya lang. Ano? 6 upside down to 9 now.
Bro, that's crazy. Great lyrics.
What the hell?
Oh, maingi kami end.
And like we're the only people here, bro.
JV Motovlogs na dalawang
Nakiki-
account.
Did you hear that?
Ano yan?
Tamawa.
Oh, parang sound session.
Oo. Si Trisha nga.
Trisha nga yung pondo niya, hindi ba?
Oo. I think we gotta go.
What the hell was that? 6 upside down at the night.
Saying anything out loud, bro. Ano yung sumasayo ng K-pop na ito na pumunta?
Wala.
Ano?
Nakausap mo si Kenji?
Wala.
Gintin ba yan? Ano si Gintin to?
Kaninong cellphone yun? Akin pala, putang na.
Sige, hindi ka namin sa gitna.
Paano yung camera sa inyo? Isa-isa. Okay, magsalita. Hindi, gawin nyo lang kahit ano. Camera na sa inyo.
Ito sa akin. Hindi yan sa akin. Anything you want. Wow.
Ano gagawin? May sabihin ba?
What? Ah, shit! Ay! Okay, yun na yun. Yun na yun! Actually, yun na yun. Tapos na ako.
Damn, si Ira nag-gym.
Favorite pose mo?
Ayun. Ayun, favorite food.
Favorite pose.
Isa pa.
Shush! We did it again! Bad boy! Ang angit talaga, grabe. Kinilig kami dun.
Paano kilig?
Woo!
Ano favorite food niyo?
Favorite food ko is roasted chicken. Ang sarap eh.
Diba?
Anong brand yung pinaka nagustuhan mong roasted chicken?
Chokes to go.
May sauce ba yan?
Wala.
Wala kasi masarap kahit walang
Walang
sauce.
sauce.
Sisig, pati kare-kare na may lechong kawali.
Generic naman naman.
Gumaganyan sa akin, pinanginito niyo ba yun sa camera?
Pwede mo may dokibab ng andox.
Anything beef.
Yun generic.
Ayun ang dyan.
Ito boy.
Dati bacon. Gyudon or beef gyudon. Bisexual body. Na taga Benin. Na naka short hair. Naka boy cut.
Paborito kong pagkain.
ka.
Katabi ko ngayon.
Ako?
Yun no?
Gusto ko yung medyo pawis-pawis pa.
Okay.
Kakagaling na ng football sa Don Bosco. Tapos pag
Hindi mo nag-football si Lorenzo ah.
lalamutakin ko yung
Uy!
margarita pizza.
Grabe, ngayon ko lang nalaman yan. Puro pares lang kinakain mo eh.
NU daw. NU Bulldogs. Paboritong pagkain.
Ano, hotdog?
Siomay.
Hotdog.
Ayun ang generic.
Red o brown?
Kahit ano.
Yung nandito sa baba ko.
Rampol.
Ako, hambago. Like burger patties na may different sauces or what.
Sino ba? Wagyu cubes sa akin, Wagyu cubes.
Performative!
Hoy, username
Anong
mo
grade? Anong grade?
Yung cubes.
Yeah, she a performative woman.
A1 bro, A1.
Hindi ba A5 yung mataas?
Di ba may...
Yeah, she got it. She got it. Oh.
Kailangan pa i-search yung favorite food.
Favorite food mo, di mo alam.
Pares kaso wagyu yung beef.
Lala. Hindi, nakakami ka sila.
Chicken.
Ay, di ka ba tinanong si Kaylan?
Chicken yan, chicken.
Burrito ako.
Ha? Saan na kaya?
Burrito ako. Yeah!
Ano? Burrito. Magandang answer yan.
Burap.
Yeah. Si Abby Chinito. A5 bahagi ang puta.
Ano ko na favorite food ni Abby? 5'11", Chinito, na nag-aaral sa De La Salle College.
Hindi naman yung favorite food niya. Favorite dessert niya.
Pwedeng dalawang tao.
Ay, sino yun?
Spam, pero ako yung magluluto. Parkour ka nga, Erwin.
Wala kang
Wala na eh. Oy, gagi. Kakataka.
Ito may target sa baba. Yo, we're so cool guys. Abot ba?
Abot yan.
Ayaw ko dyan eh. Baka muna na si Elo eh. It's your body to go. Oh my gosh. Look at this camera work. Yeah, look at that camera work, yo!
Gusto nyo camera? Ayun.
Go, panoorin mo yung camera work. Sige nga, mag-video nga ako, boy.
Sige, ikaw naman. Okay, switch character. Scenes visuals.
Switch
Since
character.
visuals.
Ooh. Sino ka? Ay,
Sige,
hindi,
gawin natin
pakita
yun.
ko muna.
Gawin lang, record mo ako. Record mo ako.
Oh. Go, shake, shake,
Ayan,
fries.
bigay mo yung camera sa kanya.
Oh shit. Stop! Oh shit!
Oh my God!
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I feel like we could be Neo in the Matrix.
What do
She
you
the type to seek love and make it everlasting. I'm the type to make up and say it never happened.
Ikaw, Abby, as a LARPer fan,
Hella fashion.
Knicks or Spurs?
Spurs kasi nandun si Carter Bryan.
Yeah, okay. Quintin right there, leading the pack like the alpha wolf he is. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's the little birdie. Oh shit. Go chill out. Makati fucking so good. Makati's better than That's 100% true, bro.
Punta tayo Legazpi, tas iyak lang tayo. I haven't been here since I was 10 years old.
Can I lord drop something or baka ma-mess up yung mood? It's kinda sad kasi.
Go.
Kasi nung
Meaning nun, ikaw yung asawa ko.
oh. How does it feel to be the man behind the camera? Hindi ka na-film.
Masaya in the moment, pero pag nag-edit na ako, nasasad ako na hindi ko ma-feel yung excitement na may bagong video mag-release sa inyo dahil ako yung nag-video.
Kasi ikaw din nag-edit and gano'n.
Yes.
I don't know.
Hindi natin alam, patayin na eh.
Oh shit.
Sabi meron ka fetish. Bakit ka gulat dun?
There you go.
Labas ka dyan. Si Abby Kay.
Walang milk tea dyan.
Ayaw niya mag-FT?
Ganito ko binubuhat girlfriend ko dati.
Okay.
Di ba sa 8 ball merong 6? Pag nilagay mo yung linya sa taas, alam nyo na kung ano sabihin nun.
Throwback, 6 upside down is 9 now.
We're at a milk tea shop.
Kulang pera ko dahil ko yung
Sarap. Who wants ice cream? Who wanna try ice cream?
I want to try that.
I was waiting for you to say something.
Parang masasarap siya na milk tea lang.
Ha?
Parang masasarap siya na milk tea.
Ano?
Parang masasarap siya na milk tea.
Ano kailid? Di masarap?
Tumitiis niya.
Kaya nga
That's not good. Sinikman ko eh.
Hell no.
Bro, kanina pa nila iniinom yan. No, no. No talaga, bro. What do you mean?
Baka iba to.
Shake, ano mo, haluin mo. Can I try? Can I try pa nga?
Hindi ko nasabi.
Bro, this tastes like what?
Abby, how does it feel to graduate senior high school?
I was actually happy to leave everything and everyone behind.
Were you excited for college?
Yeah, lalo na nalaman ko sa UP ang mag-aaral.
Ano miss mo sa DLSU?
Yung community doon, kasi sa UP, di ba very malawak siya. So parang magkakahiwalay lahat. At sa DLSU, kahit saan ka pumunta, makikita mo yung kakalala mo. Namimiss ko yung mga tao doon sa DLSU. I don't know where to look. Sa'yo ba or dito?
Ewan.
You know what?
Oh, we're thirsty, yo. Dito sa kabilang counter.
Very sweet.
7-Eleven kanina?
Grabe ang carbonated niya. Di ba?
Bro, it hurts the throat.
Bro, it's just a carbonated drink.
Parang umiinom ng gas.
Kata ka. Nasad ka pag alis ng Maksay.
I was happy. Per serving, 1 calorie lang siya. Yeah. And 7.5.
That's a lot.
Sugar zero.
May protein ba yung clitoris?
Zero sugar. It's yung alternative
Oh.
for sugar.
I don't know.
Tingin attentive.
Hindi ko may makukuha ka pang nutrients.
Oh.
I guess 7.5 lang. Hindi ko naman ito inumin everyday.
What does it taste like ba?
It depends actually sa tao.
Yogurt, plain
Pero
yogurt.
wala pa naman, wala pa
Parang plain
naman.
yogurt?
Parang, pero
Coin?
ang pinaka-worst, which is di naman siya ganun kapangit. Battery.
Tama ba yan?
Like
Tastes like
battery?
battery?
Sinasabi nila parang init ng likod ng TV.
I don't know. Kasi
Simple solution, lagyan nyo lang ng lube ng Durex sa strawberry flavor.
Parang dun ba yun? Added na.
Edible ba yan?
Oh. I mean, yeah, kasi di ba parang use din yun para sa
Oh.
Kaya nga rin may flavor.
Hindi ko
Oo nga, no?
Oo nga, no?
Malalobat na ako. Ano ba gusto niyo sabihin?
I'm 1 month celibate.
This is the type of conversations you know that you ain't going back to a certain place.
Hey, my girlfriend told me I look like Timothy Chalamet. Is she lying? Eh, nah.